Hello everyone, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up, now gather all of the hair together at the bottom, twist it and wrap it up into a bun. Use a two-pronged decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place. This will be the final look of our hairdo. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, divide it into two parts, begin to twist one over the other as such. Add a rubber band at the bottom of it once you are done with it. Lift it upwards and now begin to roll it around as such. Now, once you are done with this, take a two-pronged pin, that is a bobby pin, and fasten it in its place. Do this from all of the sides. Use decorative pins on the sides as well. Next, gather all of the hair together, twist it one on top of the other as such. Use this twisted clip, wrap it around in a bun, and twist it back in place in order to make it stay. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, leave out a section in the front, and then taking a small section of the section left out, begin to braid the hair. Now, as you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair from the part that you have left out into this braid. Continue to do so until all of the sections that you've taken are done. Now, after this, once you reach the middle section of it, begin to take in sections from the ponytail into your braid. Now, after this, once you reach the bottom, add a rubber band to it and then wrap it up into a bun before you do so. After you wrap it up into a bun, you may either tie a rubber band to it, or even better, or ideally, you may use bobby pins in order to fasten it in its place. Finally, this will be how it should look like. Make sure that you are very precise and tightly put on your braid so that it does not come undone. Afterwards, after you have wrapped it up into your bun, make sure that you add a bobby pin in each of the stages so that all of it stays put. You may add a decorative pin at the top of it to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, add a rubber band in the middle section of it, roll the hair in on itself, add a rubber band at the bottom, once more roll the hair in on itself, wrap this up into a bun and tie a knot to it. Now, add a decorative pin through one of the sides as such. We have added two of them in order to make it all the more fastened in its place. You may either add it at the top or the bottom of this as such. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Gather the hair together on a ponytail on one of the sides, add a rubber band at the bottom and now fold it upwards, fasten it in place using a four-pronged decorative pin as such. Pull it in through the top and then adjust it in its place. This will be the final look of our hairdo. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, make a small gap in the middle, and roll the hair in on itself through the side. Comb it into place, add a rubber band in the middle section of this, roll it upwards, and then pin it up in place using this four-pronged decorative pin. After you have done this, this is what it should look like. Take the rest of it and comb the hair into place. You may use different colors for this as well. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself through this middle section, add a rubber band at the bottom as well, and once again roll the hair in on itself through this midsection. Wrap this around the bun once you are done with this and pull it through the bottom. Add a rubber band in order to make it stay put. Now, once you are done with this, you may also use a decorative pin in order to make it stay in place. We have used two on either side at the top. You may also use different colors to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. As you can see, we have experimented with pink, blue, silver, orange, and other such colors. Next, gather all of the hair together and wrap it around the finger as such, and then wrap it up into a bun. Use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. You may use a decorative pin in order to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Use different colors. Thank you for watching.